Okay, so in the previous video we installed the Laravel Socialite, and now I'm going to install the Laravel Breeze, right? So here the command is this one, composer require Laravel Breeze. So simply come back to your application. I'm going to clear this for you and then paste this command here and hit enter. And let's move here, and then you need to hit this command, so it will install the breeze with the blades. And if you want to go with the react or view, so you can follow these breeze install pm run and so on things, this one. And then breeze with next.js application. For the react view you can use this one, breeze install the view ssr and so on things, but I'm going to go with the simple blades, right? I need to type this second command, this one. So let me do this. It's almost completed, and after this I'm going to hit this command. So let's wait for a moment to complete this process. Okay, it's completed. I'm going to clear the console and then paste this command again, php artisan please install. Okay, and sorry about my baby, it's crying, so don't worry, we'll continue this video. So do you want to use this with the blade, liver and so on things? I want to go with the blade. So you need to choose the first blade with alpine, I don't know. So want to install, I'm going to install the blade, so just type blade. Would you like to use dark mode support? No, I don't need the dark mode. Click on which testing framework do you want to use, PHP unit or pest. I haven't used the pest yet. I'm going to go with the PHP unit. Oops, let me type this PHP unit correctly. Okay, npm is not recognized. Okay, no problem, I will do this myself. If I type this npm, so it's not here, so I'm going to open my git bash here, this one, and I'm going to install the, let me check npm here, and it's very strange why npm is not there. So for this, if you are also facing this same issue, I think when I set up my overall new Windows setup, so I haven't installed the Node.js. I was thinking that I have installed this Node.js. Just click on this nodejs.org and download the recommended this Node version. I'm going to install the Node.js and then I'm coming back. Okay, so my Node.js installation is finished. I'm clicking on this finish. So let's go back to the bash here. I'm going to type this npm, still saying this same. I'm going to close this one and then reopen this again. Also I can do this from this terminal, so let me reopen this terminal, npm, and still it's not locating here, but it will be located into my project. So let me go to the project directory. Here I'm going to open the bash, or you can go with the cmd2. Here I'm going to check the npm. By default, whenever you are installing the Node.js, it will automatically set up your variables, your system variables. You don't need to set up this manually, right? So here it's working fine. I'm going to install the npm install, and then we need the npm run dev command. So let's go back to the documentation here. We need to also migrate our database, npm install npm run dev. So it will take some time to install the npm, and for this I'm going to open the migrate here. So I have connected my application with the database, right? So in the previous video we created the database, and then I have connected it with my application. So this one name is this one calendar app, and I have also created the calendar app here, right? So just to go here and type this partition migrate, and yes, it's migrated, but I think it wouldn't contain the contain these we forgot this command, I think. Let me type this breeze install. We already did this, we don't need to do this again. Okay, npm install is done. So now just type this npm run dev, or even I will use this npm run build. Why I'm running this npm run build, basically this one is for the production, but I'm doing this here because I don't want to change anything in my project. And whenever you are running the npm run dev, so it will slow down your um, app performance in the local environment. Why? Because it's compiling the assets on the runtime. If I will need any of the things I want to recompile my assets, I will run this command again. I don't need to take time to load my overall stuff, right? So here I'm going to open this localhost 8000, right? I'm going to open this using this one. Why I'm not going to open this using my domain name? I can use this Laravel providers, but I'm not going to use this out because in the Google console we have mentioned the PHP artisan. We mentioned the localhost 8000, right? Okay, so just to hit enter and your application is there. Just click on this login, and yes, we have a beautiful login here. So let me go to the register one, and yes, we are registered. Let me now enter my official email domain. It just type this till 8 and then click on this register, and yes, we are logged in, right? We are successfully logged in. We can also open the profile view, right? We can also delete the account too. And yes, in the from the next video we are going to go with our next step, right? And thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like this that it add something in your life, so subscribe this channel to support my mission to shoot the premium course free of cost. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.